It's great to take advice from one of the smartest people that ever lived. Not me, but stay tuned anyway. Hello again, everyone. I'm Eli's dad with Project Eli, where we educate, we lead, and we inspire. And I have put together a unbelievably long list. I mean, it's over I believe it's like 200 different quotes from who I believe to be the smartest man who ever lived, the best thinker of all times. He breaks it down, even telling you how to think. Wow. Okay, here's the guy, great thinker. All right, and we just admire him. He says, look, you can do what I do. You're just not doing it right. Let me show you how. All right, he's got a zillion quotes. Today, I'm just going to pick 10, and some of them are apropos in view of historically what's going on in the Ukraine and with Russia. All right, so let's get started with some Einstein quotes. Number one, in the middle of difficulty lies opportunity. Too many people take a look at circumstances and say, I can't, instead of saying to themselves, and this is the first step in solving challenges, is you got to accept it as it is, not better than it is, not worse than it is, and then say, what would make the situation better? Therein lies the opportunity. All right? People took a look at video, as an example, at video stores and said, oh, the problem, big problem, okay, but the problem was I had to get off my butt, off my couch, and drive down to the video store and actually walk around the room, get maybe a little exercise, pick out a video, buy it, and rent it, and then I have to bring it back, and if I don't bring it back, and then came Netflix. Wow, what a big problem they solved. Now you don't have to get off your butt, you can do everything from right where you're sitting and press the button. In the middle of difficulty lies opportunity. Somebody had to think like that. There are only two ways to live your life. One is as though nothing is a miracle. The other is as though everything is a miracle. This is a critical point in understanding how to be successful. You have to understand that there are certain things, they're not important enough for you to be super creative with. And then there are other things that you say to yourself, wow, that's a great idea. That's a what if. What if I could do this? The people that invented the internet, they came to my office. I was living in Indianapolis at the time, and these people that were, they weren't the inventors, but they were people that were certainly in the front row. And they came and they said, we have an idea that we can show you how you connect with anybody in the world, give a message. At the time, we said, yeah, sure, sounds great. Hey, thanks a lot. Nice to meet you, okay? Boy, were we wrong, huh? Okay? The thing is, if you have an idea, be creative with it. Look for solutions. And when you plant that vibe, when you plant that seed with the infinite mind, if you do it in a strong way, you give off a good vibe, you're going to get feedback. That's the miracle. That's the miracle. The infinite mind wants to help you, but if you don't go about it the right way and plant the seed for what you want, you're stuck by living your life without any miracles whatsoever. Number three, life is like riding a bicycle. To keep your balance, you got to keep moving. The only thing that's constant in the world is change. And the way you respond to change, not react, but the way you respond to change is what measures the level of success that you will achieve. Number four, you never fail until you stop trying. Never fail until you stop trying. Enough said. Try not to become a man of success, rather become a man of value. Okay? Don't be somebody that's like on stage. Be somebody that's providing something positive, not just to yourself, but to other people as well. The best way to cheer yourself up is to cheer somebody else up. We all get into a funk now and again. Here's the problem though. Here's the key thing. Somebody's always worse off than you are. Okay, right now, if you're having a difficult time, would you rather be here or would you rather be one of the people in Ukraine? Pretty simple. There's always somebody. If you can help somebody else, that will help you. Whoever is careless with the truth in small matters cannot be trusted with important matters. If someone's going to fib on a small thing, why trust them on something big? Anyone who has never made a mistake has never tried anything new. Okay? Get off your treadmill. Failure is part of success. Most people say it's the intellect which makes a great scientist. They're wrong. It's the character. The character to be persistent until you find your solution. And our last one for today, the world is a dangerous place to live, not because of the people who are evil, but because of the people who don't do anything about it. I think we can find some parallels to that in today's times. Need to do something about and prevent the evil. Until we get together again next time, remember, hey, don't ration the passion, fashion the passion. I'm Eli's dad.